Hello, my name is Mohammed and today I'm going to discuss a topic which is called mean, median, mode and range. So what is a mean? First we need to know mean. So mean means sum of data divided by number of data is called mean, and the second one is called median. So median means the middle value of data, with ascending order. Ascending order means from lower to higher. Okay, so any data, okay, so we need to take from lower to higher value. Okay, so middle value of the data with ascending order is called median, and the third one is called mode. So easy to understand about the mode is most repeating value of data is called mode. Okay, so if the set of data, okay, there are repeating value of, I would say, like 8, 8 and 8. 3 times 8 is repeating out of 10 data, so it means the 8 will be mode, yeah. And the fourth one is called range. So the range means highest value of data minus lowest value, which is called range. So let me take an example to understand the concept of mean, median, mode and range. So let me take an example for there are 10 students and their marks are 9, 8, 4, 7, 9, 6, 10, 9, 5. So it means we have 10 sets of the data, yeah. So there are 10 students, okay, and their marks in a maths exam, for example, okay, these are the marks for the students. So we need to find the mean, yeah. So first, as per the mean, we know that sum of data divided by number of the data. So we need to add all numbers, okay? So it means I'm going to add the all marks, okay? Which is 8, plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 10 plus 9 plus 5, and then divide by the number of data, which are 10. How many students are there? 10. So we need to divide by 10. So there are how many 8 numbers? Okay, there are 2 8s. Okay, 2 8s, which is 16. And how many are the 9? 1, 2, 3, 9. It means 27. Yeah. And then I would go for 4, 6, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. And 22 plus 10, 32. And then you divide by 10. So it means 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Okay, and 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. And the 1 carry was 7. So 75 divided by 10. So it means the mean for these marks is 7.5. And now we can move on median. So median, as we discussed, whenever you find the median, you need to write from lower to higher. Okay, first you need to write in ascending order. So ascending order is like lower to higher. So I'm going to, okay, right. So first number 4, and then 5, then 6, 7, 8 is coming. How many times? 2 times 8, 3 times 9, and 10. So 4, 5, and 3 to 5. Yeah. So all 10 are there. Yeah. So we need to write in an order of ascending for the purpose of calculating median. And the median is the middle value. Okay. So middle value, if I'm calculating, these are the 10 number of the data. So it means number 6 and number 5th and number 6 is a middle value. Yeah. So it means this and this. This position is a 5th and this position is a 6th. Okay. So value of this 5th add value of the 6th and divide by 2 is called median. So what I'm doing, 8 plus 8 divide by 2, so which is coming 8. So median for this set of data is 8. But there are, the set of data is 10, which is even number. If there is an odd number, okay, like I said, set of the data is 9. So the middle value will be 5th. If I remove one of the value, for example, I remove this 10. So now it's become only 9 data, 9 students. So it means the middle value will be 5th. Okay. So if I remove the 10, so median will be 8, the 5th value. And now we can move mode. Okay, as per ascending order, okay, we know that the most repeating value of the data is number 9. So mode is 9. Very easy. And the last one is called range. So the range will be highest minus lowest. So highest value of the data is 10 and the lowest is 4. So it means the range will be 6. So this is the concept of mean, median, mode and range. So you can easily find out, okay, these numbers. And now I'm going to solve one of the paper for the CSSE for 2019, and the question number is 15. So it's very easy question. There are two parts for this question. So the question number 15 says, (2019) and question number, it says 15. Question number 15, A part, yeah. It says there is a group of pupils, students, and their score are 6, 7, 9, 5, 4, 10, and 8. So how many students are there? So there are 7 students. Okay, how many? 7 students, and their marks are 6, 7, 9, 5, 4, 10, and 8. Examiner asks, okay, what was the average mark? So what was the average? Average means mean. So he's asking, find out the mean for these marks. So what we do, as per the mean, very easy. So you need to know only the mean is equal to sum of the data, which is 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5, 4 plus 10 plus 8. So you need to add this one and divide by the number of pupils, which are 7. So if you add this one, so you will get mean, which is equal to, so it means 6 plus 7 is 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 5 is 27, 27 plus 4 is 31, plus 10 is 41, plus 8 is 49, yeah? 49 divided by 7, so the mean will be 7. So this is your answer for part A, okay? Very simple, yeah? So you need to simply add the all data, okay, which is available, yeah? And simply divide the number of data, which is 7, to get the answer 7. Now I'm going to move part B. Part B is very interesting. It says that there is a group of 12 students, okay? Group of 12 students. And their marks, their average marks average marks 24 out of 30. So it means there are 12 students and their average marks are 24 out of 30. But the teacher marked incorrectly for one of the students. Okay, so teacher marked incorrectly for one of the student. Student 13 instead of 19 out of 30. So the total marks is 30. Okay, so one of the student, he secured 19 marks, okay, out of 30, but the teacher include 13 in the total marks, okay, when they are calculating the average for the student. Okay, so examiner asking what? Okay, what is a correct average marks? So it means examiner asking about, okay, you need to find the correct mean. Okay, average means mean. Okay, so it means we need to first work out the sum of the data which I told you. Okay, so as per the formula we can say mean equal to sum of the data which we don't know, because in this question they are giving you mean already. Yeah, so it says average marks 24. So average marks 24 means they already given you the mean. In the part 1, okay, they ask you to find the mean, okay, but in this part they already giving you the average, okay, which is 24, okay, and the total number of students are number of students 12, okay, and sum of the data which we don't know. Okay, so it means I can write down here x and the mean we know, which is 24 x equal to 12. So sum of the data which we don't know, okay, but the number of peoples are 12 and the average marks, okay, 24, okay, which is including the marks 13, okay, for one of the student which she made a mistake. Okay, now we need to find the sum of the data, okay, which is x. So 24 times 12 is 288. So x equal to 288. So 24 times 10 is 240 and 24 times 2 is 48. So if you add 48 plus 240, which is coming 288. So I can show you quickly for you as well. Okay, so 24 10 plus 2, 240 plus 48, so it is 288. So it means the sum of the data 288 taken when they are find the average marks, which is 24. But now it says the correct mark is 19. So it means the between the correct and incorrect marks number is 19 take away 13. So it means 6 marks. Okay, we need to add 6 marks for this student. Okay, because he was add by under 6. So it means the sum of data is 294, and we know that what? Okay, the mean equal to 294 divided by 12, which is 294. 12 times 2 is 24, and remainder is 5. 54. 12 times 4 is 48. Remainder is 6 decimal, and you put the 0 here. 12 times 5 is 60. So it means the new mean after correcting a correct marks, which is 19 instead of 13. So average mean, which is 24.5. So mean increased by 0.5. So this is called a mean, and you can work out easily. You can work out easily for the mean in this question. So there are a group of 12 students, but the initially 24 average marks. Okay, but we corrected, okay, adding by 6 number, because she incorrectly marked like just 13 instead of 19. The difference between 19 minus 13, which is 6. Okay, so add we 288 plus 6, which is 294, and 294 divided by 12, which is coming 24.5. So this is the answer for CSSE 2019. So if you like my video, please subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.